Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be trying out this Wonder 2 Brow Gel for the first time. I know this product has been out on the market for a year or so, but I still want to test it out and make a video, so here I go. Wonder Brow is a one-step brow gel, and for 2 minutes you will have a perfect eyebrows that lasts for days until you decide to take it off. It has a PermaFix technology. I got this shade Black Brown, so in the kit you will have a clear tube with 3 grams of product on it, and they will also give you a spoolie, and the instruction pamphlet is right here. This pamphlet will give you a complete idea on what will you expect from the product and the steps how to use the product. So here I'm just removing the plastic packaging. So this is what the applicator looks like, which scares the shit out of me. And here's the swatch on the back of my hand, and I think it looks a lot darker in the tube. So to begin, I'm just brushing my eyebrow hairs into place. So step 1 says the product should be applied on a clean, dry eyebrow. Do not apply any moisturizer over the application area, so that's what exactly I'm going to do. I am not really sure on how am I going to use the product on my eyebrows using the applicator, but here I am just using a flat brow brush to make more defined hair strokes. So as you can see here, I'm just filling in my eyebrow as I normally would. So it suggests that always apply little by little and layer it for a deeper color. Stage, I took a great courage to fill in the sparse area using the applicator itself. It wasn't too bad, you just have to be careful in applying it to your eyebrows. As I finally achieved my desired shape, hopefully I can make it even with the other brow. I will comb my hairs into place to further distribute the product evenly on my eyebrow, and as the product gets drier, the hairs goes really stiff, so you need to work really fast on this one. One side is done, and this is how it looks like compared to the other side. On the other brow, I will do the same process and hopefully make them even as possible, because normally my eyebrows are not really even. As they say, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So I did the best that I can to make them even. So this is how my eyebrow looks like using the Wonder Brow. And for the most exciting part is to test this product out, if it's really waterproof and smudge proof. As you can see, I washed my face here, and of course without rubbing it too much on my eyebrow area, like I avoided it. And right here I have a cotton pad and I'm going to try to rub it off. Yes. So as you can see, it didn't move at all. And we're going to try it on the other side. Here you go. Nothing really came off. So right here I'm going to use my fingers and smudging it again. And nothing came off. And again. And again. And nothing came off. That is pretty awesome. I can go for a swim, be sweaty, be in the storm or whatever, but my eyebrows won't let me down, that's for sure. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!